Amolo Odinga, in full realization of the high calling, assumed the office of the People's President of the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
Raila Amolo Odinga, a name deeply woven into Kenya's political history. Born on January 7, 1945 in Maseno, Raila has been at the heart of the country's most defining political moments, from the push for multi-party democracy to years spent in detention for standing up against dictatorship. Raila's story mirrors Kenya's long walk to freedom. For decades, he's been the symbol of resistance, courage, and hope for millions who yearned for justice and reform. Raila's academic journey took him beyond Kenya's borders. After attending Maranda High School, he pursued higher education in East Germany, earning a degree in mechanical engineering from the Technical University of Magdeburg. This international exposure shaped his worldview, giving him a disciplined, structured approach to leadership, one that blended African ideals with modern political thinking. Upon returning home, he didn't just bring knowledge, he brought the vision also. Raila's life has been marked by a struggle, not just political, but even at a personal level. He endured years behind bars, accused of plotting against regimes that feared his influence. He was tortured, isolated, and silenced, yet he never gave up. From the 1982 coup attempt allegations to the bruising election battles of 2007, 2013, and even 2017, where Raila stood firm. Each time he fell, he rose again, stronger, louder, and more determined to fight for what he called the second liberation. But history, as they say, has its own twist. When the time came for handshake, many of his followers felt something a break, a dream, perhaps, or a promise. They wondered, had the man who once stood against the system now become part of it? Now with his passing, the question still lingers on the air like an echo. Did Raila Odinga betray Kenyans? Or was he playing the longest game of all?